I am Ankit Shaha, and Dr. Amyn operated me for Bankart Lesion because I had a problem on my right shoulder since last 25 years. But then after the surgery, it became much better. Now I'm ready to play some sports also, racket sports or cricket for my right. Unfortunately, even my left got injured last year, end of last year. But now, again, I went through the same surgery out here with Dr. Amyn. And of course, again, worked out fantastic. Their entire team has been fantastic, fabulous. Dr. Meenakshi, Dr. Vishal, Dr. Rishabh, all have been fantastic. And even the post-surgery, the care has been taken fantastic. So thanks a lot for the team. Thank you.